everybody, welcome back for a little bit of a progress video. We're currently on about the halfway mark with the wrap at the moment. Like I said, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be our actual wrap days. So on the halfway mark, so I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you to Blake. Blake's our head applicator.
Hello.
He wasn't here the other day, he was on site and that, so that's Blake. Blake's been with us now, with myself, for about 11 years now.
Yeah,
so combined we've got quite a bit of time in the game, so we know what we're doing and stuff. So I just wanted to get some feedback from Blake as far as the product and stuff. So I think we'll hand over to Blake and just have a look and chat about the car.
Well, obviously, as you guys know, we're doing this because of the whole Springbok affair, and we won the game. So yeah, we go. The Maserati's going in bolt green right now. It's an amazing product. It's our first time using Omega skins. It's very much like graphic cards, which we used to have back in the day. Now it's got extra things. It's got air release, it's got triple layer technology, and they've gone tight with their glue, which some other products have a bigger glue, and then sometimes through the pane you can actually see the glue hexagons, where this one, it's a tighter hexagon, so you don't see anything. So it's your most paint-like finish that you get on wrapping nowadays, well, so far that we've used. It's looking amazing. It suits the car very well. And yeah, I'm having a joy with it. It's bringing back the old school memories again of when we used to do this.
On that, what Blake is saying is, in the older days, the air egress system. So basically what happens is there's a little pattern at the back that allows you to pop the air through, and that's how it becomes an air release product, is with the size of the pattern. But this pattern is very, very small, it's very fine. So it's a bit more tricky to use the product, but obviously us being doing this for quite a long time, we've used such products before, so we do understand how to get around that system, and what it allows for at the end of the day is a more accurate paint finish. So because you cannot see any of those hexagons or any of the glue regress system at the back, it's really, really smooth like paint. Obviously our task or our objective is to make the wrap look as close to paint as possible. So with this product now we can just achieve that finish a bit easier. This is a bit of a further note. What we decided to do is just go a little bit extra and further. We're finding that the chrome doesn't complement the green as much as it should. Chrome's a little bit old school. So what we're going to do is we're going to close all the chrome. It's known in our industry as a chrome delete. So all the chrome on the vehicle, we're going to go with gloss black. Hope Kevin likes it. If he doesn't, it's going to look awesome, I promise. So we're going to go with the gloss black chrome release. That will be on the beading, the window surrounds, and all the badges. So full gloss black against this green with the gold wheels is really just going to make her pop and look a little bit more opulent. Just once again, if I can just reiterate and just thank our sponsors, Maisie Plastics and Omega Skin. Thank you very much, guys. Awesome working with your product, awesome working with you guys. We've been with them for quite a long time. So yeah, so success so far. Obviously we'll continue and give you another video with a bit of a sneak peek.
Hey guys, welcome to MagMaster. For the second installment of what's happening with the Springbok Maserati sort of makeover that we're doing. So this is where the magic happens. In a short while we're going to take you through to where the rims are. You can see the colors starting to come together. But just to give you guys a quick rundown of what we do, as you can see behind us, respraying, refurbishing, diamond cut, straightening, welding. If it's got to do with rims, we know how to do it. So yeah, we're going to take you through and we can see where the magic happens. Alright guys, so we've just done the first base coat layer on the start of this three-stage paint that we're doing. So we got the rims from the guys over at GT Wraps. We got them in, we've checked them, made sure that they're straight. So yeah, if you have a look, this is where we're at the moment. We've got one more stage to go, but I've got my specialist spray painter, Mason, who's been with us for almost 20 years. and he's the magic man when it comes to doing these things. So Mason, if you want to explain where we're at in the situation.
For sure. Hi guys, hi. So what we do is we prep the rims completely, sand them down, remove all the scratches and damage. We then apply a coat of grey primer onto that. Let that dry for about 20 to 30 minutes, sandpaper it again, and then apply the first coat of gold. Then we leave this to dry for about half an hour, then apply our last coat, which is kind of where the magic happens. Let that dry for another 20 minutes and then apply our clear.
Cool. And then just to confirm, so what we do is when we've done this, like you said, we check out for any imperfections, and at this stage we can sort out if there's any problems.
100%.
And then we put that finishing clear coat, which just makes it pop perfectly.